everyone, I'm Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how did I prepare for CLAT LLM exam. Before starting, I want to tell you that I had been preparing for judicial services since 1 year, and then I decided to go and try for this exam also. So let's go forward to how did I prepare for this exam. Around 1 month before the exam, I made a list of important judgments. These judgments were from this year and the previous 2 years. For this, I used the help of various blogs and sites. And one of the most useful sites which I found was LiveLaw, because they have compilation of important judgments and they even have summaries of various judgments. So once I was done with making a list, then I went on to reading the judgments. Before that, I read on summaries if I did not know anything about the judgment, so that I can read the judgment more actively and anticipate what I need to find there. While reading, I highlighted the parts which I felt were important, like the arguments of the petitioner and respondent, the discussion about previous cases, the ratio, and even the dissenting opinion. After reading the judgment and highlighting, I went through the highlighted parts again and made some notes. Making notes is very important because we cannot go back to the judgment again and again, and we need to revise and learn whatever you want to take from that judgment. In the last moment, the notes come in very handy. All this is very important, and we can understand through looking at previous year questions and the mock papers given by CLAT what kind of questions can we anticipate. So that gets me to the next part of my preparation, which was looking at the previous year papers. Now I know that the CLAT exam pattern keeps on changing, but it's important to look at the previous year papers because we get a hunch and we get used to what kind of questions come. And even though the level might change, it creates a base for us. And after solving these previous year papers, you can enroll for some mock test. I also did the same. I enrolled for a mock test by Phenology Legal. I did not know which one to enroll for, so I just felt that this was within my budget and was value for money. That was the main reason why I chose this one. Our work is not over after just giving the tests, but it is very, very, very important to review our answers and especially focus on the questions which we get wrong and look for the answers, because there we come to know what our weak points are, and there is some possibility that something related to what we gave in the mocks come. So yeah, this was my basic strategy. Apart from this, I tried to stay updated with the latest legal news, because the cases which are happening and the cases which are being discussed time and again in the news tend to be important for the exam. For example, just before my exam, contempt was a topic which was very much in news, and I did see a lot of questions from that. Apart from this, I also bought a book which had previous year papers and some area of law which I could study from that. The one I bought was single publication, but you can look into what you want to buy. So these were the things I did to prepare for my exam, which was reading judgments, staying updated, doing mock papers, and keeping on revising everything which I did. Apart from the previous year paper, I studied for around 1 month and I got 336 All India ranks. So I think if you start at the right time, you can prepare well and ace the exam. Now this video wasn't any tutorial or anything. I just wanted to share my experience because few of my Instagram followers were asking me how did I prepare, so I thought why not make a YouTube video out of it. And if you think this video will help you in any way, please like, share and subscribe. And please do comment and tell me what do you feel, and if you want to ask me anything, you can comment or you can contact me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram also. My handle is judiciarygram. I hope I come back with a new video very soon, and till then, goodbye and take care. Stay safe in your own houses and study well.